So intestines will swell and a lot of pain will come. She's saying definitely she need to take the medicine. And doctors said that you need to take the medicine lifelong. She's taking medicine from the past 22 years. And she asked me a question, how can I solve this problem? I told her, do meditation, all the problems will be solved. Then she was laughing. She was just, what is he saying? 22 years, no doctor could solve the problem. Every time, 22 years, 3 times after eating morning, lunch, dinner, 3 times, she definitely need to take the medicine. Without medicine, if she doesn't take after 5 to 10 minutes, the pain will remind her. She definitely need to take the medicine. And why is he saying meditation will solve this problem? She was a little bit skeptical and doubt, and because no doctor told, all the doctors are telling, take the medicine, lifelong you take the medicine. But why is he telling this? Like she thought that when she learned meditation within 1 month,